guys, it's Raquel with Rocket Kitties, and today I am here to show you a quick little tip or trick that I like to do whenever I'm done decodening. I like to go ahead and clean the piping tip I'm using. I know I've seen some other decodent artists let the silicone dry and then they just kind of pop it out. Listen, I have tried that and I want to love it and like that because it's so much easier than what I'm doing here. But it is not easy for me and I can never get all of the silicone out. So I just go ahead and work with it while it is still wet. Now, I will say I should definitely be wearing gloves. So my apologies for not having gloves on in this video. I was done making a case and I just went right into it. And then as I was working, I was like, oh, I should put gloves on. So I was like trying to work quickly also. But anyway, my favorite thing to do is to take a Q-tip and kind of scoop out the silicone. And then I'll use the end of the Q-tip to kind of wipe the end of the piping tip so I can get in between those ridges easier. And then once I get majority of it out, I like to twist up a little piece of paper towel like this. And as you can see here, I'm kind of twisting it inside and pushing it as far in as it'll go. And see how it's like crystal, I was gonna say like it's crystal clear, like squeaky clean. And then I just go through one more time with a Q-tip and make sure I get all the silicone in between those edges there. And that is it. And that way you can reuse your piping tips as many times as you like, especially the metal ones. So yay! That's it. I hope you found this helpful and like a nice little tip and trick for your decodening needs. Also, another trick, since I'm talking about this, is the piping tip. At the end, I love to push in like the little brackets. So when the silicone comes out, it's like very detailed with the whip part. Not everyone likes that. I've seen a bunch of different cases, and if that's not your style, it's cool. But I'm like obsessed with that, so that's how I get my whip to come out the way it does. But anywho, if you found this video helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and honestly just decorating fun and crafting and making stuff because I love making cute stuff. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye!